right there. That is an inspection port.
All right, here's what we'll be replacing that with. A little sensor, and I'm going to put some thread sealant on it. Hopefully that'll hold. Okay, here is an 11 mil and a ratchet on it. Right there. We're gonna add a little. There we go. That'll do. Okay, I gotta put the camera down. We have our temp gauge right here, and it's gonna go right there. This is the end of that temperature sensor. Next, gotta take apart the interior. Okay, it's ready. Yeah! Mission success. And here's the sensor. So, are the... There we go, it's working. Look at that. Well, we're out here in the middle of nowhere. Forgot to connect these buttons, so we're just gonna take a moment. Lights are working and off we go! And there's more lights! Oh.